Na ready na no Sam George koye no public accounts committee. Me say s00n there on said anya madam for. But imagine said there Sam George koye or public account Mr. Say S00n ye Bianca Ghana ka hell. Me say kitchen blogger the DS la temo aka so ye lesbian cracker ho. Again, Agyeta capacity 20 instead of focusing on the issue of be a lesbian just because Okana and because Ghana from pet is meanwhile, who cry our bank by LGBTQ plus door no come person be pass.
I was for my money na makwaba at Bagana and some TV so. One more so be like video no be subscribe to the channel no what turn on notifications. Say next time videos of this nature about so submit to my cabin so watch the or comment section for them. Say the money down if Mr. President. Baby who be from Mr. President I measure also. Who text me Mr. President or comment section I measure also. Who see me TikTok na pay Mr. President I measure also sir. Kwa the baby agenda MPP. So the money in the opposition. So we are trying our possible best. They use Jan and the same TV channel also. They are what the new patriotic party and many kono. They are power 2028. Inshallah. Dr. Ladma president. Now also the power by MBA so selkebi. Na my kan kaya yi. They were John the money Muhammad the book at Neze Ibu idi. Ya many am for the Messiah. Dr. Ladma Mumba Mama the NS assembly few. Now once again, may catch a gun and Mabuni and I say, I'm man yourself near no. A datching near ya man yourself and printing ya man yourself. The woo biano, we are no one was inti. Dachi biano. Would you be proud of decision I will make here in politics? We shouldn't forget, say, politics no, ya mouth to me, say, Fabiti Manful in him, ya mouth to me, say, Fabio, it is all your software. Oh, yeah, ordinary Ghanaian. Oh, yeah, educationist. Oh, yeah, medical doctor. Oh, yeah, once I have more opportunity to brother several public space, do it with due diligence, respect, and absolute clarity. And yes, I be a home bachelor.
Na ready na no Sam George koye no public accounts committee. Me say s00n there on said anya madam for. But imagine said there Sam George koye or public account Mr. Say S00n ye Bianca Ghana ka hell. Me say kitchen blogger the DS la temo aka so ye lesbian cracker ho. Again, Agyeta capacity 20 instead of focusing on the issue of be a lesbian just because Okana and because Ghana from pet is meanwhile who cry our bank by LGBTQ plus door no come person be pass. And we another day for another matter for another day. Imagine say Esla and now be the Kojina public accounts committee na go bia. Again, but dinner time 1 week. Again, diverting attention from the main issue to Atembidie. Atembidie mo King what you say? Atembidie mo a founder okuta PhD. Me say wa for na eco school kwaje masters no. Say see how ba Atembidie no. What na going to match check. And ka wo PhD ni bia nkenchen o. Wa for na aje masters no. Masters no kwa hu so. Focus on the issues. There is no amount of Atembidie that will change anything. I mean, kind messages in me, but I mean, who did the attempt now? I'll just skip and go. Skip and go. Nya hana mbema platform. Stoneboy way there in somewhere safe. Where Stoneboy go get accident where he break his leg. If it's Stoneboy way, I say make you go accident and go break your leg. He saw Stoneboy say Stoneboy be Apache. If it this to be something where you saw somebody with. Sakode say, if you see say Sakode be better pass you. The thing where Sakode by 840. The thing where Sakode do, your old generation, you don't go fit do half. You insult Sakode because he be better pass you, he achieve pass you. Where because say go Sakode be asante, he make you run him down. Stoneboy say he like MPP small, make you run him down. You go insult everybody. Emfa. I talk you. Emfa, you never emfa. As we day here, no, we get the institutional memory, we go fact check everything. Go make sure say everything where you go talk, no emfa. Yeah, TikTok has now I'll touch every business. I'll touch every business negative. Can you imagine?
He believes.
Look at him. Oh, Kota your business. What's your business?
Illegal mining.
Dr. Oh, Charlie. I school days. The person who don't know say citric acid crab your kuto. This person, you don't know say citric acid. They put inside you. You don't know. He talks say Dr. Kokotin go add poison for in drink, or the citric acid, the guma go collapse in business. You know with Dr. Kokotin they there. You don't know citric acid, you don't do science for JHS, eh? Because me citric acid, if I learn about citric acid for JHS, you don't know citric acid. You go collapse somebody's business when your brain is only in hey, citric acid self, you don't know. Hey, so this person, you go put up camera, then insult everybody in mother, then in father, then everybody in grandmother. You don't know citric acid self be to orange. You don't know, say citric acid be orange. You won't compare yourself to anybody. You won't compare yourself to woman where building houses before you marry. You won't compare yourself to somebody in grandfather, President Kufo, where you do in grandchildren self not be your classmate. You don't know citric acid. You saw somebody say, oh, kwasia. You don't know citric acid. You open your mouth, then you're 32. They talk say, oh, be a kwasia bar. You don't know citric acid. You say you go collapse somebody in business. You don't know what is citric acid. You say somebody, hey, you don't know citric acid. You don't, my strong boys have no citric acid. You don't know citric acid. Jesus Christ. You don't know citric acid. Oh, Charlie. Hey, because your child can't take your uncle. Why? Your uncle don't know citric acid. Okay, take him to apply school, ni be my down for no. Why? You don't know citric acid. Hey, citric acid where we learn for JHS. You don't know what is citric acid. Orange or common orange. Hey. Cocoa thing where they employ about 1,000 people. Go and collapse his job. Go. Collapse his job. You say hey, I shock for some people. Then junior Teletubbies, they follow him. If they follow these junior Teletubbies, they don't follow him. Follow him. Make you follow him. They say when a blind man leads a group of blind people, them all go end up where? In the gutter. That be where all of you go end up. Follow him. I said, you come back 10 times. You go come back 10 times. Go come bring some, conjure some fake documents. Just to smear people's fathers. Smear campaign. They say, character assassins. Hide and paid assassins. Assassinators. They are from some character, assassinate two character. Yen Cantronian paint two black. Junior Teletubbies. The Omu did any. Pension, the Beko Fieni. Hoping that one day NDC the better board. So, yeah, more Meduma. I like what Fifi Kwete NDC, a general secretary. The people who know the tradition of NDC, the people who know NDC was formed, almost NDC, I say, but there are so many charlatans, NDC, pretending, can you imagine the NDC that Rollins did in Moja signing, you know? Oh, Besson says, the NDC, Ama Benuado NDC. Ama Benuado to me matching opponent, Kennedy Japan was studio. I don't make them back in the day. Ama Benuado Ben matching opponent. 3 hours on the attempt. Brasami photo bet me matching opponent to studio. Kanawaka on the attempt. Who the attempts I say make we left you. Obi Kotra UTV crown or Kanasama or Babetra did despite attempt. But anybody who has been part of a company knows the company there was corporate structure. Now, despite only the cause of UTV crown and Peace FM. Because he's not even part of the organogram. Only he's left the day-to-day running of the business to somebody. And so just because we have a kind of handsome UTV into me, I could do despite them. Yeah, man, who quite or bra despite that bo or bra Kennedy, neba Kennedy crab on mukota. We will not allow you to come and insult him because you hate some group of people. Yeah, man, quite never did despite them. See Father Dixie at them. Ning I hate him. I say, oh no, yeah, kasa. Yeah, we go talk. And no amount of attempt gender. Nana Pia said, I heard Bobby answer today. And I was surprised at his ranting about him lady. But you may feel Bobby answered the Eminia. And you may feel ranting. I tell the Casson Kitchen Blogger because Kitchen Blogger and his assassination attempt to go ye. Now, make us say nobody will attempt to shame Obise Obienya menopause. Menopause is a natural occurrence of any or baby. A mama will be a friend of a andropause. So what dream it grow now? What dream or knowledge you can read and understand knowledge. You the last thing you will do, and you say you go and you saw somebody with menopause, and you said, "Man, no more abemuni in your menopause." Something that is a natural occurrence of the body. Man, say, "Me more be a come be and to me for be in menopause." Now, any grace in pocket so be in when your menopause. Ebony or
NDC mapunu yas ya dia ban na nimbe ye for mo forget one basic room ha
say ye bo so of ignore them
okun de basic e okrum ha
beatrice ye bo o see him long time now we hear juma pa Christabel Johnson, or see if you we love you near Juma, or you correct order normally any smear campaigning. We are doing exactly that. We are doing exactly that. Alexander Dubois, or see if you save your breath, cry. I mean, few more. Now, call issue, no, so start your topic. Oh, the topic now I start, which is the gold issue. We have commented about the gold issue. You can't buy a public debt, maybe a public debt, no, NDC must come and explain to us. And yeah, then a public debt, na cost. They must come and explain to us. And yeah, then and a public debt, na cost. Scan away. Sigane free him as our public debt, na bas rosa. Why is it just that we will ask all those questions? And they ask that, and we'll continue to fire it every day. Be able to public debt and why the public debt has gone up. Because when you say a public debt in it yet, the public debt now has gone up. They say a GDP to the debt to GDP ratio no cost. I say coming as of 2025, 726. In fact, around this time, 800 billion Ghana cedis. This year they can hold any here.
Na minister na ejuma ya me yen tinu Rock City no me margin is amount for management and I'm very happy with them. 14 companies 2021 in a bid year. I knew about the bid.
Okay.
But I mean a bay. Yeah, but second time 2020 manji post. Until almost call through process na and almost shortlisted 3 companies. Senate. After 3 years, 2.5 years, open tender, a biographic movie, and almost shortlisted 3. Into 3 companies, and almost shortlisted. Now Rock City Kahubi. There was nothing wrong with the transaction until Midimba up for vice president. And the Bay issue.
Was this an agenda?
Then I'll get Ghana honey away.
Doctor, what was in Ghana? Was this an agenda?
From 2021, there was nothing wrong with the Senate go through processes now from 14 companies, almost only about 3. Open. Probably be anyhow. Me be a minister April 2023. Almost started at the end of 2021. 2022. 2023 April. And I'm a minister. Internal Rock City was part of 3 now my shortlist. You know. It took 1 year, 2024, and no more enter negotiations. No problem be any. Kopim da, I became one of the potential names for vice president. And about for Kofa and no Edibai. And then Smith announced to say, that's so per partners. I'm called parliament on this, I'm so per partners. Because hotels in our essay. Ye can so we declare profit 2024. Mubian who declare profit. None of the we declare profit ko check it. Snit that's what tia e binu mo so light bills be seen. Omo pensioners can ma ko tia light bill. So yes, time wa me be a minister 2023 no. Na be a transaction e do no. Because it started 2021. I go through processes assembly. 2023, I be a minister. Assembly 2024.
I won't say no way threatened. So was it within the party? And a banner sana.
Work council mum na.
Me no me no me no
you work council mum na.
Na me bisa.
Blame it on the rain. Do you remember that song? This is what they do. This is how politics has become. And then they say that politics is dirty. Politics is not dirty. It is bad people who create that impression. Politics is not dirty. This politics that you've done, this kind of politics you've done, you are depriving old people. You see, if it was in some country, we'll take an impeachment process to parliament because you are depriving old people of their money. SNIT is a national backbone. You are depriving SNIT of money to satisfy your ego, your caprices and whims. You want to satisfy that ego and to bring down another. Ghana, we like that too much. The new generation is not like that. The youth are not like that. I see they push up each other. They're not like that. But
chairman, former NCA board chairman, only a member of this government went to complain